Welcome and thanks for joining us here at the 2025 Hershey RV Show. Today we're sharing a brand new floor plan from Brinkley. Here we have the Brinkley Model I 294. It's a travel trailer that's built for families, comfort seekers, and anyone who wants a little more room to roam. The I-294 stretches 34 feet 10 inches long and stands 11 feet 4 inches tall, including the AC unit. It has a dry weight of 8,420 pounds, a GVWR of 10,495, and a hitch weight of 796 pounds. So yes, it's a towable with a properly equipped 3/4 ton truck, and it's surprisingly nimble for its size. Tank capacity is a generous 55 gallons of fresh water, 65 gallons of gray, and 35 gallons of black. That extra gray tank volume is a game changer for families or full-timers who love long showers and lots of dishes. There's an 18K BTU Chill Cube AC in the main living room and an 8K BTU unit in the bedroom. The underbelly is heated and enclosed with circulated forced air, so you're good to go in any season. And yes, solar is standard. 200 watts on the roof, Victron MPPT controller, and a 3,000 watt inverter prep. So off-grid adventures are totally doable. Hot water comes from a tankless on-demand system, and you've got dual 20-pound propane tanks tucked into the front compartment. Efficient, reliable, and easy to fill. This unit has got dual hot and cold showers, one on each side, 4-point power stabilizer jacks, LED ground lighting, and ABS brakes with anti-sway and dynamic brake boosts. The drop frame chassis adds even more storage, and the automotive-grade graphics give it a sleek, modern look. So that's the Brinkley Model I 294, a travel trailer that blends family-friendly design with high-end finishes and smart tech. Whether you're traveling with kids, hosting guests, or just want a little extra space to stretch out, this rig delivers comfort, style, and serious versatility.
Up front here is where you'll find your LP tanks, electric jack, nice pass-through storage here. One of the showers here, then you have your main power off for when you put in storage and such, plus your other options for solar and power. You also have an outlet and cap lights. Over here we have a nice size awning, and this is real nice, having a fridge outside. Keep your beers in here and other drinks. You have a rear entrance as well. Coming around the back here, we have your hot water heater and some more storage with a ladder to get up on the roof. So coming around on this side, you have access here to your storage. Goes in there pretty deep. You also have the access from the back that I just showed you. Here's your power hookup. And then here's your wet bay. Shower hookup. You have access down through here if need be for your hose. And this is retractable. Pretty sweet. And there's also an outlet right here so you can plug in, and some lighting. So coming in the back here into the living room and bunk area. Nice size queen bunks it looks like. Plenty of storage here. The steps do lift up for more storage. And that goes deep underneath the other steps. Can hang clothes in there. You also have the option for the shelf that comes out. Nice size drawer there. All the same size and depth. And there is a door for separation. There is one window on the top bunk. And then in the back there you have hookups. Coming into the living room, you have this nice sofa and your theater seating here. Cup holders and storage. USB outlet there as well. This is on the slide, this part. You have beautiful square windows in here. I believe they do go out to 6 inches when you open them, compared to the old ones where it was 3 inches, I believe. Looking on the other side here of the living room, you have a nice fireplace, counter space here, mantle space, whatever you'd like to call it. Your control center is right next to the door as you come in. There is no TV, but there is a projector screen. So you have this projector set up here above, and it allows you to watch your projector inside using this screen. And if you want, you can actually watch the projector outside using this other screen. Yeah, that allows you to watch the projector through the window from outside. And if you're not watching your projector at all, look at that big window. Look at all that you get to see. Plus you have a little window in front of the sink area. Here's another thing. This right here pulls out into a desk/table. So we'll show you that now. So you grab it right here, lift up a little, and it pulls right out like that. You hear it click, so now it's good. And you have a drawer inside with a little divider where you can put like desk supplies and what have you. And then this does go back in. You have to be careful because it does have a little pull to it, so you want to go in easy. And the only thing I don't like about this setup is I think they need to have some kind of padding here, because after several uses of pulling it out and putting it back in, it's just going to start marking us up. You can see it's already starting to happen. So that's the only thing I suggest for this setup. And there is a little bit of storage underneath yet too. Coming over to the kitchen area, you have this deep, nice size sink. Underneath you have lots of storage. Plenty of room for a trash can, and if you don't want to put it there, well, this one's actually built for a trash can. And you could put your trash bags in that pocket there, and this pulls out here, and you have your paper towel rack, which you can put on the counter or just leave it inside here. You can tell I don't have one of these. There we go. And then good drawer here for silverware, odds and end drawers, washcloths and so forth. So yeah, you got lots of storage in the kitchen. When you come up here, this actually comes out for all your dishes and glasses. A little more storage above the microwave. Beautiful size, huge oven. And then next to the entertainment center seating, you have this fridge. French doors. Underneath is the freezer section. There's a drawer on top and plenty of storage underneath. And it's nice and cold in here. You can tell it's running. Then next to that, you have your pantry section. This pulls out. That's real nice. More storage underneath. Another pull-out drawer. On to the bathroom. So you have access from both sides. Nice size shower. Shelving up above the toilet, hooks for clothes and towels. I'm used to seeing skylights in these. This is probably the first RV I've been in where there wasn't a skylight in the bathroom when it comes to the shower, because they usually give you that extra headroom. Well, they do have something else there in place of it. You just can't see out of it, so you still have that extra headroom. Big toilet. You have this nice backlit mirror here. A little bit of storage next to it. It's not that deep though. I like the sink here, nice and deep. Some counter space. A lot of times you go into these RVs, you don't have a lot of counter space in the bathroom. It's not too bad here, and you have some shelves over here as well. Coming into the bedroom here, this is really nice. You have this king size bed, end tables that are huge. There is no drawers here. You do have storage up above. These deep cabinets for clothes and such. And you also have this cabinet section on the other side. Hang clothes in this one. Then you have 4 drawers. Not too bad. Adequate room for clothes in here, I would say. Fuse boxes down there. And then one more thing I want to show you in here. This bed, underneath the bed here, is a closet. Walk-in closet. These chairs come out, and then you see there's storage for shoes and such on this side. And they give you a hamper that you can put your dirty clothes in the hamper underneath the bed then. Now the only thing I suggest for this is they need to have something that closes this off. That way your kids aren't falling in here and getting hurt, or your dog, or what have you. Up above is one of the air conditioned units. Then this would be the other air conditioned unit that's in the living room area. Well, we want to thank you for joining us for this RV tour, this new floor plan. I'm impressed with this Brinkley. If you have any questions or comments about this RV, please leave them down in the comment section below, or reach out to Brinkley online and they'll help you with your questions if we can. Also, if you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone, and safe travels. To watch more videos like this one, then watch one of these videos.